3 animal cafes in Japan you'll never see in the US. You won't believe what kind of animal cafes Japan has. First up, a Shiba Inu cafe. Shibas are Japan's traditional dog, and locals love them just as much as tourists do. A lot of people can't own pets in Japan because apartments are tiny, so they came up with animal cafes instead. Next, owls. Staff actually teach you how to gently interact with them, so it's way safer and more calming than you'd think. And finally, an otter cafe. They're cute, but they do smell a little funky. Which one would you try?